well. uh it's it's perfect. Yeah, I just made $300. Yeah, I just made $300. Okay, hello.
Добре.
I really love crypto. Just watch this video till the end. Among many ways to earn free cryptocurrency, the crypto game Mindstone stands out for me. I'm showing this game in more detail on the screen. Pause the video and check the settings more careful. That's the whole point of the game. Right now, this option seems the most attractive. It allows for stable earning without significant risks. Mm, so, while the martingale strategy, which involves constantly doubling up bets after each loss to cover your losses, can quickly lead to skyrocketing stakes and losing your entire bankroll. Yeah. Mindstone offer a much safer and more reliable alternative. This approach lets you in crypto without exposing yourself to unreasonable risks of stress. Yeah. Overall, the martingale strategy is for those um, who are willing to risk their entire capital. Yeah, but it's my capital. Yeah, for the theoretical chance of quickly recovering losses, but more often than that not, it lead to a complete loss of funds over the long term. In this video, you will be able to see my entire journey from the very first step in the game to the actual withdrawal of my earnings. I'm not giving financial advice, no. I'm simply sharing my personal experience so you can decide it for yourself. Okay? In this way, of yearning is right for you. Today I'll show and explain in detail how I manage to earn $300 using Mindstone. It's very easy, but I like this. I sit in cafe and I get my easy money, $300. Okay, I test it, your watch. Okay, I tested your watch. Okay, I choose right crystal. Yeah, this snow bomb. I have crystal, and I like this display. Yeah. So basically, I can double my money because the boss shows me where to click. Uh, I'm just sitting in cafe. Yeah, a bit nervous, but feeling good. But it's my money and I get $300. Yeah, I already topped up my wallet in the bot. You can rewind and see how I did it. Um, it's uh, it's perfect, yeah. uh, I wouldn't have believed it before. Now I've played like 50 plus game already. Sometimes I lost when a bot locked, but overall it works really well. Uh, it's it's perfect, yeah. I just made $300. Yeah, I just made $300. Yeah, I'm happy. It's my money. Yeah, it's my money. Honestly, this is amazing. Okay, next signal, yeah? Next signal, yeah? I like next signal.